Hey guys, welcome back to my show. Today I'm gonna make some bubble waffle ice cream cones. When I went to London, it was almost everywhere around there. So I of course had to try it and I kind of fell in love with it and got it every single day. Now I'm going to show you to make them with all of the ingredients that I listed in the description below. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another show like this. Now let's get started. First thing that I'm going to use is 2 cups of the mix. I'm gonna use some regular pancake mix or waffle mix, but you guys can make it from scratch. 1 and 1/2 cup of water. And that's all I'll need for the pancake mix, so now I'm going to mix it. Now you need one of these. This is what makes all the magic happen, and it's a bubble waffle iron maker, which I linked in the description below. So first what you want to do is preheat your stove to medium heat, and then you're going to place it on top and preheat both sides. You can spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and then now we're going to place the batter on the bottom, and then you're going to kind of spread it out evenly. Then we're going to wait about 1 minute. So now it's been 1 minute for each side. You can open it up. Ooh, your waffle should be about golden brown on both sides. So now that it's out of the pan and you let it cool for a couple minutes, you need to get 2 or 3 waffles of your choice, and then you're going to wrap them in a cone shape and then place them face down where you folded it. Now you're going to take 1 of your egg waffles and then wrap it in some wax paper, and then you can get a cone holder if you have one, but if you don't have one, I'm just gonna use a mug. Here is my explosion of toppings that I'm gonna put. So the first thing that I'm going to add is my vanilla ice cream, but you guys can use any flavor you want, but I'm just gonna use some simple vanilla. 2 scoops actually, because 2 is better than 1. So now we're gonna drizzle some of my favorite kind of chocolate syrup. I'm gonna go like that. Now we're going to put some marshmallows. Then we're going to put some whipped cream. It's like the best part. Look, we're going to put some sprinkles. Sprinkle them all over. And that is it. It looks so delicious. So now let's taste test. So good. That is so good. So now that you're done with all of your bubble waffles or your bubble waffle, you can enjoy them, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another show just like this one. Bye!